Today, we're gonna go over the different types of stances, how to get into your boxing stance, so this way you can level up your boxing. So when you're new to boxing, I recommend using a line. It could be any line you see in the gym floor. You can use a jump rope. You can use a resistance band like I'm using. So put something between your feet, so this way it can help you to make sure that you're balancing out your stance correctly. So the one thing I wanna do, step by step, is I'm gonna turn my left toe towards the line and then my right heel towards the line. So I want my feet diagonal, right? The next thing is I'm gonna take one step back and then one more step back. So I wanna be about 1.5 to 2 feet apart. If this is where I'm most comfortable. If you wanna take a little bit more of a step back, that's fine. You don't wanna be too wide though. Next thing is, you wanna make sure that your arms come up, right? I'm looking right at the camera, shoulder to shoulder. I'm gonna have my hands to my cheeks, slightly bend the knees, and I'm gonna lift my right heel off the ground, all right? And that is your proper fighting stance, just like so. So this is also known as the orthodox stance, is the way I'm stepping, right? With my left foot forward. Now, I could reverse that and go into a southpaw stance with my right foot forward, right? So if you're a righty, your power hand is gonna be in your right hand, so you should be orthodox stance. If you're a lefty, your power is gonna be in your left, so you should be southpaw stance. So now that we learn how to get into a great boxing stance, now we're gonna go over the mistakes that people make, right? And number one is being too narrow, right? And this is why we use a line. As you can see, here's my proper stance. My foot is over on the same side of the line. You don't want to be on the same side of the line. Why don't I want to be narrow? Is because it's going to be hard for me to punch. I really can't move well, I can't slip, right? And then it's easy for me to be pushed over, right? If someone wants to push me right now, I'm going to end up like this, right? And that could lead to you getting knocked down or knocked out. Mistake number two is being too wide. I don't want to end up like this because it's going to limit my mobility. It's going to limit my slips, my rolls, my punching power, right? So a wide base is, yeah, I can be a little bit more balanced, but I don't have any power into my punches, nor am I going to be able to move well. I'm being a stick in the mud. Mistake number three, not keeping your chin tucked, right? So I don't want my chin in the air. This is the knockout point. So you want to make sure that your chin is tucked and you protect your chin. I'm Malcolm Wilson, coach from Level Up Gym, and that is how you get into a proper boxing stance. Make sure you guys like and subscribe so you can tune into more great content like this. And remember, people, let's level